Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Twitter and Tesla shares. So Elon Musk has offered to buy Twitter for $54.20 a share. How it is going to impact Twitter and Tesla itself. So let's get started with the video. So there was news circulating that Tesla CEO Elon Musk won't be joining Twitter's board after all. So Twitter's largest investor, Twitter's largest investor, billionaire Elon Musk, is reversing course and will no longer join company's board of director less than a week after being awarded a seat. And there are tons of news which are circulating around on the internet that Elon Musk wanted to take some personal thing out of Twitter or he wanted to save taxes. So we will look into those details now and we will see impact of these news on how Tesla is going to perform in future or how Twitter is going to look in future trends. So an official statement came from Twitter CEO itself. The board and I had many discussions about Elon joining the board and with Elon directly. We were excited to collaborate and clear about the risk. We also believed that having Elon as a fiduciary of company where he, like all board members, has to act in best interest of the company and all our shareholders was the best path forward. The board offered him a seat. We announced on Tuesday that Elon would be appointed to the board contingent on background check and formal acceptance. Elon's appointment to board was become officially effective by 4/9, but Elon shared the same day that he will no longer be joining the board. I believe this is for the best. We have and always value input from our shareholders, where they are on our board or not. Elon is our biggest shareholder and we will remain open to his input. So based on the facts of this particular article on the internet, what Elon Musk wanted to achieve, he posted out today. So today, after a couple of minutes, around like 23 minutes ago, Elon Musk offers to buy Twitter for 41 billion. So if we see the current market cap of Twitter, which is $36.71 billion, Elon Musk offers that he will be buying the same company for $41 billion, which will automatically increase the share price of Twitter to $51. So if this deal goes on, automatically you will see share of Twitter rising from 45 to $51 all of a sudden, which is a good jump because you can see making around profit of maybe 10 to 15%. But from the recent past, Twitter has been growing in a very nice way. But in the last 5 days, when Elon Musk refused to join them as a board member, the share went down by 4%. So lately, Twitter shares has been soaring up because of news that Elon Musk was their major investor. But after he announced that he won't be able to join them as board of director, if we look into the 5 days trend, so the market of Twitter has dropped a bit low and it came back to 44. So currently they are at 45.85, but look into 1 month summary. So the share has risen up by 38.81%, which is expected to grow more if this deal goes very successful. And in terms of year two till growth, in last year the share went up by $3, which is quite normal. And in 1 year, the company is not performing in a well state. Last 5 years, yes, if you would have invested a while back, you could have made around 213% profit. Now let's look back to some of the other stats. So in case if Elon Musk is going to buy this company, how it is going to impact Tesla, his wealth and other stock markets. So if we look into the statement, so it says like Elon Musk has made a best and final offer to buy Twitter, saying the company has extraordinary potential and he will unlock it. So he wants this company to go into a private sector. The world's richest person will offer 54.20 per share in cash, representing a 54% premium over the January 28. The social media company share soared 18% as I showed you in the graph recently. So Musk 50 announced the offer in a filing with US Securities and Exchange Commission. So Musk announced the offer in a filing with US Securities and Exchange Commission on Thursday, which is publicly announced today. The billionaire who also controls Tesla first disclosed a stake of 9% on April 4. Tesla shares fell about 1.5% in pre-market trading on the news that was that particular day. The executive is one of Twitter's most watched firebrands, often tweeting about memes and taunts to Elon Musk more than 80 million followers. He has been outspoken about changes he would like to consider imposing at the social media platform, and the company offered him a seat on board following the announcement of his stake, which made him the largest individual stakeholder. After his initial stake became public, Musk immediately began appealing to fellow users about prospective moves from turning Twitter's San Francisco headquarters into a homeless shelter and adding an edit button for tweets to grant automatic verification marks to premium users. One tweet suggested Twitter might be dying given that several celebrities with high number of followers rarely tweet. So Elon Musk basically wants to add some more features in terms of making it similar to Facebook and maybe probably starting some sort of more features for people who buy premium membership in terms of enterprise or celebrities. But I think the reason why he wants to buy this company is there are a lot of celebrities who are actively active on, let's say, Instagram or Facebook, but you rarely see them like making regular tweets on Twitter except then the politicians. So Musk can afford to take over Twitter. His current worth about 260 billion according to Bloomberg Billionaires Index compared with Twitter market valuation of 37 billion. And if we look into a generic perspective, so the offer which Elon Musk is offering them is a bit low because if you see in the recent past, on 19th February 2021, so the maximum share of so the maximum price at which Twitter share went was $72.28, which is a bit low, and this has been argued by many analysts. There are high chances Twitter will reject this offer, but we cannot say that as a guarantee because Twitter can accept this offer depending on the scenarios. And you can see internet is now flooded with that news on many of the topics. Elon Musk offers to buy Twitter in a takeover attempt. Then Elon Musk offers to buy Twitter for 41 billion. Elon Musk offers to buy Twitter for 41 billion. And then there are tons of other stuff going on. Now I'll show you some analytics based on my experience. So if you see currently Tesla's market cap is 1.06 trillion. Market cap of Twitter is 36.71 billion. If Elon Musk buys this particular company, automatically he will be deducting some money from Tesla based on his news. So based on Elon Musk offer to buy, Twitter has already made a pre-market of minus 9.22%. So now let's look at some analysis if that deal closes, how it is going to impact Tesla and how it is going to benefit Twitter. So as Elon Musk offered Twitter that he is going to buy their company at a share of let's say 51 dot something dollars. If Elon Musk buys Twitter, the current market cap of Twitter is 36.71 billion and Tesla's market cap is 1.06 trillion. If Elon Musk buys Twitter, automatically you can see a deduction of 36.71 billion from this market cap. But the moment he announced that he is going to the moment he announced that he is planning to buy Twitter, you can see that pre-market has already moved into a negative state. It will go more down if the deal closes because when the market cap of the company decreases, automatically the shares will go a bit low. But if we look into the longer run, and so if Elon Musk wealth merges more, so 1.06 trillion is as it is. If he minus that particular amount and the shares go back to let's say maybe 100 or let's say 150 in coming near future after he buys it, the market cap of Elon Musk or those two companies combined can touch maybe 2 trillion, maybe a bit less, but they are never going to cross Apple, which is the biggest market cap company of the world. And also if we look into 2020's world's billionaires, so Elon Musk is still on top, so his net worth is 297 billion and which is expected to grow more after this particular merge. So that's it from my today's video. Please stay tuned for interesting updates on stocks, crypto and forex. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.